Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to adjust letter and line spacing in Canva. For example, as you can see right now I have taken a blank template in the Canva and here I am going to add text, right? So I have clicked on text and add a heading, text spacing or letter spacing, right? Okay, so I have written this text. Now what I will do is I will simply select this text and will click on this T icon present above the text, right? And now we are going to increase the letter spacing, right? If it is not visible, let me put it down. Okay, now we are going to increase the letter spacing. You can increase or decrease, right? So this will create spacing between letters, not words, right? And if I write line spacing as well, and now I have selected the text box again, and again I have clicked on the T icon present above, right? And if I make changes into the line spacing, then what is happening? The space between two lines is getting increased or decreased, right? But as you can see, the first line is its own position, is at its own position, and it is not getting deviated, right? Why so? Because in the anchor text box we have selected anchor start, but if we select anchor medium, then what will happen? Both the lines will change their position, creating more space between them, right? And similarly, if we select the anchor end, then what is happening? The below line is at its own position, whereas the above line is changing its position, right? Creating line space between first and second line. As you can see, there are some more options available, right? You can use the kerning, refine letter spacing for visual spaces, right? And there is also ligatures, right? Even you can set the position of A2, right, over here. So this is how you can simply use the letter spacing and line spacing in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.